But there is a shield. Sentinel Discovery. Unlocking your internal alpha. Safely. Ethically. Sentinel identifies the profit signals in your own data.
Connecting the dots inside your organization.
Shadow bias detected bias, neutralizing. Protecting you from external shadow manipulation. Deflecting the unfair alpha of the elite.
Ensuring your data is clean and actionable. Building your own intelligence silo. Truth is the only foundation we build on.
Integrity verified. The perfect balance of seen and unseen.
Assets protected by decision intelligence. Seeing the path forward with clarity. A global community of informed investors. Intelligence democratized. Power back to the individual. The timing of the informed. Find your edge. Protect your future. The start of your discovery journey. Signal. Found.
The alpha is waiting for you. Navigating the shadows with the Sentinel.
Reclaiming your wealth. Defense active. No more blind spots. Holding the key to the market. The new vision of trading.
Verification complete. Truth is confirmed.
The light of the new intelligence. Your window to the shadows. Alpha generation started. The results are real.
Upward mobility for all.
The heart of the Sentinel. Welcome to the Informed Elite.
Joining the movement.
The intelligence of the future. Activating the edge.
Shadows unmasked. The ghost is gone. The treasure found. Secure intelligence. Alpha level high. The edge is yours. Catching the alpha.
The return of the human investor.
The market is fair again.
Trust restored.
Certified wealth.
Certified wealth. Switching to clarity. The journey is over. Discovery.
complete.
The future is green.
Clearing the path for intelligence. Sentinel discovery on.